Morning, boys. Today we're going to be looking at a concept which we call social responsibility. And this is a concept that goes through business studies from grade 10 all the way to grade 12. So you may be asking, well, what is social responsibility? And in short, social responsibility is the moral obligation that businesses, individuals, government, and communities have to address socio-economic issues that challenge a country. And we are currently living in a time where social responsibility is happening all around us. It is something that is evident in the coronavirus. We all have a social responsibility in our individual capacity to do what we are calling social distancing, to make sure that we wash our hands and we are hygienic at all times, to not cough in front of people. And we've been given all of these tips as to what to do to reduce the coronavirus. And whilst we are practicing this is a great example of social responsibility, where we all have a moral obligation. And we can only thank our President Cyril Ramaphosa for the wonderful address he gave to all of us, with clear directives as to where we need to go. But we're all in this together. So once again, social responsibility is about making sure it's our moral obligation to ensure that we are looking and addressing these issues that affect our society. Now we move on to a second concept, and this concept is called corporate social responsibility. And the word corporate means business. So as a business, what is the business doing to be socially responsible? And yes, we can give examples of KFC paying for mini cricket to take place, or DSTV for helping people become entrepreneurs in the movie industry. And each company that's listed on the JSE has to do or has to have a corporate social program where they are helping those who are less fortunate than themselves. But the real issue of corporate social responsibility can be defined as the willingness of a business to address socio-economic issues. Businesses must take responsibility for all their stakeholders and the environment. Social responsibility projects undertaken by businesses must be sustainable so that they can carry on into the future. Another issue that is important that differentiates social responsibility from corporate social responsibility is the following. CSR, that's often referred to, is about the continued commitment by business to behave ethically and to contribute to economic development whilst improving the quality of life of the local community and society at large. It's also about how are they reducing the pollution in their business so as not to affect future generations. So it's not just about helping society, but it's also about protecting the environment in which they are operating. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe.